Thank you, Chairman.
Auditor General, have you interacted with those reports and are you in a position to guide us today?
Yes, Chair. We had a sitting with the clients and went through the issues and we can proceed. Thank you.
Okay. Clerk of the Senate, were the submissions done in compliance with our requirements?
Yes, Chairman, the submissions were made in good time within the timelines.
Okay, fine. Unless there's a supplementary or a preliminary observation, but because of time, I would request that we proceed direct to the issues before us. The Chair, Public Accounts Committee, Kajiado County Assembly. Would you let us know whether you have considered this report that is before the Senate today?
Yes, Chair, we have considered the report.
And you have tabled a report, it has been adopted by the Assembly?
Chair, we have tabled the report, but it's yet to be adopted.
And perhaps, and this is really not to grill you, but to share what is expected. That since you have only one executive to consider, it should not be too difficult to have the report brought to the Assembly within the, is it 90 days? The Constitution requires you to consider the report within 90 days. What the Senate did is that because we could not have physical meetings with all the 47 governors, we asked them to submit written responses. It is on the basis of written responses that we did this report that we are considering today. You might find yourselves in a bit of a problem because if you make adverse recommendations outside the 90 days, these gentlemen and ladies can run to court and say that that matter was considered outside time. The courts have said that the timelines in the Constitution are not a suggestion, they are mandatory. It's like an election petition. You're a politician. You know that election petitions must be determined within a certain time frame. If a determination is made outside that window, then whatever decision is made is null and void. So this is just guidance that in this coming financial year, please try to consider, report, and adopt your committee's report within those 90 days.
Thank you, Chair. We got the information, and we have had a forecast in Nairobi County. So we are very much aware of it, and we are going to consider the reports before this year.
And if you succeed in doing so, then the conversation in Nairobi will just be to look at your recommendations. We will not be doing the kind of interrogation that we usually do here in Nairobi.
Thank you, Chair, for guidance.
Okay. Members, can we proceed to the substantive reports? We will start with the report of the receiver of revenue. Auditor General, you had briefed us and said that a number of the issues that were raised, you described them as casting errors.
Yes, Chair. Clerical errors through casting and omissions. Thank you.
So why should a receiver of revenue present a report that has clerical errors? When it comes to collection of money, clerical errors is not an excuse, because that can be the excuse given for the theft of public resources. Who is the receiver of revenue, Governor, in your delegation?
Vera Mora, do you want to come to the fore?
The receiver of revenue, please introduce yourself. Okay, Sergeant at Arms, you could help her with the
yes, she can come in front. At least you can get a place for her to.
Okay, we just wanted to identify her. So, who was your co-signatory to this financial statement?
Thank you, Chair. We have a team that works on the same. We have a team that...
No, there are two people who sign the financial statements. You sign, and someone else signs. Who is the other person who signed them?
That is, it's called Majakuzi.
It's called?
Majakuzi.
Who's Majakuzi? Like a jacuzzi? Many jacuzzis. Who is...
Chair.
Where is the gentleman? What's your ISPAC number? What's your ISPAC number?
12-12-8.
1212-8.
Yes.
But that's not the ISPAC number on these statements.
It was not me who signed the report. I think is a CC Finance.
CEC Finance?
Yes.
You're the one who signed the receiver of revenue statement.
Chair, I signed the forwarding letter of the statement.
We want
not
to,
the
before
statement
we get
itself.
into substantive issues, we want someone to take ownership of this report. Vera, who is your co-signatory?
Chair, we have an accountant.
So you have left Majakuzi. It's somebody else now.
We have an accountant. He's one of them. He's the lead team in the accountancy team.
Vera, you are the receiver of revenue. This is your report. You must know who co-signed the report.
The person who signed is Pulei, the head of reporting.
Where's Pulei? Pulei, what's your ISPAC number? But someone signed for the head of revenue reporting.
Yes, it's true that someone signed for. During that period, we were training some of our
So
officers.
is this your signature? Pulei, is this your signature on this statement?
Yes.
Why are you looking surprised?
Okay. Yeah, as you can see, Chair, it was signed for.
So this is not your signature.
It's not my signature.
Who signed it? So who is that who signed for you?
Alex?
Alex has denied. Ameruka kipetero kiesu. Who signed these statements? Because we cannot be running county governments like a corner kiosk. There is 1 billion shillings in this report. And there's professional responsibility. And if there are issues, we must assign responsibility and culpability to the right person. So you are saying you didn't sign. Someone signed for you. Who is that person who signed the ROR for Kajiado?
Chair, if I can explain, because...
Oh, just say who it is, because you have said it is not you.
there was an officer we were training during that period.
So a trainee is the one who signed on your behalf?
Do you have the name of that trainee? What was the name of the trainee?
Because members, when these happen, you'll find that the reality is that the professional perhaps didn't want to append their signature for some reasons.
Chair, let them tell us. I don't know, what is so difficult, Governor? What is so difficult in us getting a clear answer? Who signed the document? There is a signature there, there is a number given.
Yes. I've just cross-checked. Sorry, can I go?
Maybe Chair, as the Governor answers, we should tell her where is Vera Mora.
Vera is a fair lady sitting at the back.
Yes, but do you have ISPAC? Are you ISPAC? You account the receiver revenue?
We have two people who signed. That is the receiver of revenue. I signed. Then the documents are forwarded for submission to the Department of Finance, the accountancy team. So I have signed on my part.
This is the report of the receiver of revenue. This is your report, Vera.
Yes. Yes,
So it cannot be that you forwarded it and someone signed it. It is your report.
I own that I signed on my part. We sit in different offices, so the team from the accountant, the head of accountant team signed.
And your ISPAC number?
So who is that person? Because Majakuzi has denied, Pulei has denied, Alex has denied. So who?
I have cross-checked, Chair, and let me ask Alex Pulei to show up for himself. There are two Puleis here. I made Alex Pulei the one who signed or the one whose signature appears here. So can you, Alex, come to the fore? Just stand and respond.
Please, let's dispense with this. We have more important things in the report.
Yes, it is true, Honorable Chair. We prepared the report at the Revenue Office and we submit it for signing, as Director General has said, at the Office of Accounting. And,
what we are looking for is a person who signed, please. Just that. The person who signed for Pulei, because it's written here for, and then there's some funny signature there. Who is it? Who scribbled this signature on the report?
Chair.
Senator Dula.
Chair, I just want to ask whether the receiver of revenue was officially appointed as receiver of revenue. Because if she has been officially appointed, she cannot hand it over to somebody else.
Even if she forwarded it, it needs to come back to her because it is her report.
But Chair, correct me if I'm wrong. Didn't I hear the receiver of revenue saying she signed the report first?
Yes.
Her signature is on the report.
Her signature is on the report.
Yeah.
But the more important one is the one with professional responsibility.
Oh.
The member of ISPAC. Because if there are issues here that we need to refer to ISPAC, if we refer member number 17884, he says this was signed for.
Yeah, then he's the one to take responsibility. If someone signs a letter for Sifuna, it's Sifuna who takes responsibility.
I mean, he's basically saying it is a trainee who signed. Is that your submission? That it was a person you are training who signed for you?
Chair, just to make a correction, I didn't say the trainee signed, but that is the period you are training some officers for preparation of financial statements.
So who signed?
And for this matter,
what is the name of that person who signed for you?
That is Alex.
Alex who?
Alex Play, my colleague here.
Who is there? Alex, are you the one who signed for this gentleman?
So as Alex takes the mic, the financial statements were prepared. If maybe you can explain those casting errors due to the training, because Alex.
No, leave alone the casting errors.
You have gone to something else.
Vice Chair, maybe I'm asking.
The point is, the receiver of revenue was supposed to sign these statements, but somebody signed on the behalf. So, where was that person? And so, who signed on behalf? That is the question I think the chair is asking.
ROR signed. Head of revenue reporting is supposed to be Pulei, but someone signed for him.
Which means he's aware because it says for head of revenue reporting. That's
Chair.
Pulei. Which means Pulei knows where the person is.
Possibly, Chair, what is the confusion here is that there are two Puleis. And the two Puleis are the men seated side by side. So the Pulei name is probably what is confusing. There is a Ken Pulei whose number appears there.
What is the number of the other Pulei?
And Alex Pulei, who signed for the other. So the confusion of Pulei, we probably can resolve by saying Alex and Ken. And both of them have come to record there, Mr. Chairman.
So what is Alex's CPN ISPAC number?
I don't have an ISPAC number. I'm not registered.
And you feel you have the authority to sign on behalf of a professional, a member of a regulated profession? Senior counsel, can I...
See, you know, that's a very serious professional offense. We should begin by citing... You said this is Alex. Are you the one?
Yes.
And professionally, can you sign a document when you don't have the capacity professionally to sign? That's a professional misconduct from your part. Were you told to sign or you made a conscious decision to sign? You are not qualified. Do you agree you are not qualified to sign the document?
No, I'm not qualified to sign it.
So why did you sign? Why did you sign?
So Chair, why wasn't delegated to sign in the first place? Where was the head of the accounting? Was he out of the country?
Yeah, because we want to understand whether Ken owns this report. We have dealt with 46 other ROR reports. And when this happens, it usually happens when the professional knows that there are serious problems, that if they were to append their signature, they are going to be hanged. That tends to be the case.
Because they are both here, Chair. That question you asked might get us out of this puddle. Let him answer. Ken.
Ken, can you come?